Andy from Howard's Persia and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this superb 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter, you get a smartphone charging plate. The car has some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.